तैयार करके आए थे और 20 लोगों से बात करके आए। तो भी आपका कम्युनिकेशन और कॉन्फिडेंस को थोड़ा चेंज हो रहा हो। Be ready tomorrow, day after, there will be much larger numbers that are coming in. It is more getting settled, getting ready. So, CI is started by our chairman, Mr. Baldev Krishna Sharma, and CI has started as a give back from him. At the age of 77, he is a young man. At 73, 74, he thought that where did I start my career from? Okay, and he's a President Award winner for his innovations, which became his career start point. So at this juncture, he said, let me do something. Not knowing a school teacher, not knowing a school professor, just with the intent that I want to serve, I want to give this platform to the young generation that's coming up. CI is today celebrating its 4th year. So we hope to take it to the next level, year on year with better quality projects that are coming on, creating a platform for all of you to be able to value back to your life and your careers. So some more insights from a young man here, okay, and listen carefully. If you can make some notes, something that remains with you can definitely be words of wisdom that you can take back. So let's start.
Meet the man, Baldev Krishna Sharma, the inventor, innovator, entrepreneur, philanthropist. From the very young age, at 20, that was the need of the time because the STD feature was abused and the phone owner got cheated. Baldev Krishna's patent invention gave complete control of STD in the hand of its owner. This got him the first prize and also a Rashtrapati Award at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, from the hands of Dr. C. Subramaniam, then Industries Minister. The year that followed, Baldev Krishna again participated in competition and won the top prize for his next invention, the cooking gas control and safety device. This second-time winner got him instant recognition and appreciation in his institution as well as in society. He also got a plum position as a development officer in corporate company. Then, the entrepreneur spirit prompted him to launch his own company. He built Marshalls as the #1 wallpaper company in India. He is now the Chairman Emeritus of Marshalls Group of Company, dedicating himself to philanthropic work where CIIA is an initiative to generously give back to society what he once got it 50 years ago. A true example of Deep se Deep Jalate Chalo. Presenting a humble giver, a man with a brilliant mind, a golden heart, the force behind CIIA. Welcome, Baldev Krishna Sharma.
Okay. This is too full. So hello everyone. मेरे को मैं ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया. Hello everyone. Okay. This is the topic that we are working on. How to generate ideas. I think. Do you need to take a mic or? No mic. What do you say? Mic के बगैर चलेगा?
नहीं, इसमें आप
Okay. Most important part is idea generation. अगर idea बन गया, वो execute करना इतना मुश्किल है. Where is? So where do we get it? That is possible. I can go, but sometimes what happens in the flow. एक जगह चलते हैं, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है, कोई अदर फ्लो. So I've structured the entire communication and we have a PPT and we will respond to you so that we remain online. Otherwise, वो रहते हैं इधर-उधर भटक जाते हैं. So the first is idea generation. From idea generation we come to innovations. Then from innovations we come putting it into action. Putting it into action is creating a gadget, creating a prototype, creating a product out of it. And that product ultimately should benefit somebody. If it benefits somebody, then people will take out money. ना आप लोग पैसा निकालते हो, कब निकालते हो पैसा? जब वो आपको benefit दे रहा है, isn't it? So your product should be such that it should give benefit to somebody or that target audience जिसके लिए आप बना रहे हो. So this is the whole loop. Otherwise, what happens? That ideas are plenty. Okay, सोचने में कोई कमी नहीं है. Ideas are plenty. But where you fall short is, उसको बना भी लिया, you also have a product, you have everything, but where is the customer? So the ultimately वो कहता है ना, taste of the pudding lies in the eating. वो जब कोई आपको लेने वाला होगा जब, then your innovation is a worthwhile innovation. Otherwise, you are spending your time and getting an experience. What is it? Spending your time and getting an experience. उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. So we are going to look at the idea, and from that idea, how to make money out of it. How to make, ultimately, what are we trying to do? मैंने प्रोडक्ट बनाया, प्रोडक्ट अगर मार्केट में बिकती है, तो I'll get either a royalty or if I become the entrepreneur myself, then I'll get a margin out of it. है कि नहीं? Ultimately, what is it? You should get money out of it, and you should have a wealth creation. Ultimately, you should become a wealthy person. Go to the next. What is the difference between invention and innovation? A lot of people, they get confused between invention and innovation. Can somebody talk to me about what innovation is and what invention is? बहुत नज़दीक के वर्ड है ना? Invention भी बोला, कोई innovation को invention बोलता है, invention को innovation बोलता है. So what is the difference? Can anybody tell me what is invention? Yeah. Speak on. Huh? Creating new things. Creating something which is not existing. Which is not existing. And what is innovation? Doing some modification in what is already existing. What is it? And it is very generic. वो किस में हो सकता है? प्रोडक्ट में हो सकता है, आपके मिठाई में हो सकता है. You have seen you बर्फी, then they put some chocolate का बीच में, ऊपर एक और layer of this thing. So what it has become? Chocolate barfi. What is it? It is innovation. What is it? So you call sandesh, you call this, these are all innovations. What is it? Making a better product. What is it? Making a better product or making a better value-added product. What is it? Making a better. Let us interact. अगर interact करेंगे तो नहीं तो सब सोने वाले हैं इधर. Okay. Making a better value-added product. Okay. So let's go over here. As I said, it's a structured sort of a thing. What is the difference between invention and innovation? Invention is creating something which never existed. Now, give example. See, telephone never existed, so the person, Graham Bell, who made telephone, was the invention. And after that, whatever modifications came in that were all innovations. Then there was a wireless, cordless, because that was something, but again it remained telephone only, but it became cordless. But that is a semi-invention. What is it? Not full invention, but semi-invention. So wireless, even the mobile that you have today is also it's an innovation. It's a modification of what has been going on like cordless. Okay. So understand, innovation is a very, very generic. किसी में भी हो सकता है. आप खाना बना सकते हैं. You go to a restaurant, you find a better recipe. What is that? वो बोलते हैं ना, ये होटल में जाने का उसका बहुत अच्छा है, मिठाई अच्छा है या उसका खाना अच्छा है. People will walk 10 kilometers to go to that restaurant to eat particular food. This is innovation. Or that is the strength of innovation. Okay. So I've just given this example. Alexander Graham Bell made telephone for the first time, and that was invention. And these are all the innovations, okay? And of course, the cordless has been a little more higher graded, so you can say that semi invention. But going from semi invention, even the today's mobile is the same series part of it, okay? Let's go to the next. Now I want to tell you that you people are sitting on a big wealth creation का, पहाड़ के ऊपर बैठे हो आप. You're sitting on that. There is a difference between a formal career and a accelerated career. The formal career is what? Now let's take for example if a person has graduated and become an engineer. Okay. So engineer बन के क्या करेगा वो? He becomes first, goes there, becomes intern or he becomes a junior engineer. Then he becomes junior का एक और grade आएगा. Then he becomes an engineer. Then he becomes senior engineer. And by that time he becomes chief engineer. His retirement age has come. Okay. Retirement age मतलब उसका 58 हो गया. Join किया 20 साल में 58, 38 years के अंदर. What has he become? Junior engineer to chief engineer. Okay. कोई सीनियर इंजीनियर बन जाते. But anyway, whatever it is. ओके स्टार्ट किया पगार से कितना 25,000 से. रिटायर कितने पे हो रहा है 3 लाख से. कितना 3 लाख. वो आप आज के हिसाब से 38 ईयर्स के बाद में 3 लाख का क्या वैल्यू होगा. ओके बिकॉज ही इज रिटायरिंग एट 58 और से 60. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एड हॉक फिगर्स. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फॉर्मल करियर and from formal career then you come out of that company and what do you become? Consultant. क्या बन जाते हैं? उसी लाइन के कंसल्टेंट. जो 4, 5, 6 आदमी होते हैं उसी कंपनी को आप यू आर गिविंग कंसल्टेशन एंड दे आर गिविंग यू वट एवर योर कंसल्टेशन फीस इज एंड ऑल दैट. आपका गुजारा चलता है. 65 के अंदर वो भी खलास हो जाता है. सो व्हाट डू? यू जॉइन भजन मंडली. व्हाट इज इट? यू जॉइन. बराबर है जाते हैं. ओके आजकल कुंभ चल रहा है सो दे कैन गो टू कुंभ. ओके एंड देयर दे कैन बिकम महामंडलेश्वर. व्हाट इज इट? बड़े बड़े हीरोज आजकल महामंडलेश्वर बन रहे हैं. यू मस्ट ऑल एंजॉय दिस लाइट लिटिल जोक्स. ओके ओके यू मस्ट एंजॉय दिस. नहीं तो बोर हो जाओगे इधर. यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू सिट ऑल थ्रू. सो दिस इज दी वो जो लाल लाइन आपको दिख रही है ना. व्हाट इज दैट? फॉर्मल करियर. 25,000 स्टार्ट किया 3 लाख से रिटायर हो रहे हैं. कंसल्टेंट बन गए और फिर बाद में भजन मंडली. दैट इज अ करियर ग्राफ. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एक्सेलरेटेड करियर. एक्सेलरेटेड करियर इज ऑफ द इनोवेटर. क्या है? सो आप लोग जिस पे बैठे हो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द एक्सेलरेटेड करियर. टुडे कैन यू थिंक ऑफ एनी इंडस्ट्री who can live on a product which was 5 years old or which was developed 5 years old? Can you think about it? You cannot think about it. And if that company is there, okay, that will go into archives. किसमें होगा? Archive में जाएगा. Everything. You see your mobile. Every 6 months, you are getting better features. Are we not getting? You are getting better features, more advanced this thing. That is where the innovator is coming into it. That is where the inventor is coming into it. That is where the researcher is coming to it. And if you have got that mindset, if you have got that talent, then you are into this. And it is not that it has to be only at a technical level. It can be at a business level. It can, see, any business person, if he has to expand, he has to keep on innovating. Today, Marshalls is going to be 50 years in this Diwali. How many years? Do you think company can survive for 50 years without innovation? You have to keep on innovating. And that company has survived. Why? Because I, the entrepreneur behind it, was an innovator. Okay, we went on changing from time to time how things can happen. Now, if you can enter into that zone of an enterprising innovator, there is where the whole world is waiting for you. Okay, I'll give you one example of a guy who could not speak Gujarati properly. He is an engineer. He just passed his mechanical engineer. and he could not speak his English properly. And he was reluctant, क्या करूँ, कैसे करूँ. So he joined one Parsi company, which is a boiler making company. And you know Parsis as boss, how they are. Okay. They start with XYZ and end with YZ. You know. So he got fed up with them and then he left them. Okay. And afterwards, what did he do? He suddenly got a chance to join Larsen and Toubro. He suddenly got a chance to join the Larsen and Toubro. And from there, as an entrepreneur, even when he could not speak English properly, he was able to rise from there to the chairman of the company, to the chairman of the company. Before he joining, Larsen and Toubro had about 40 different branches, or not branches, sorry, products, okay, product range. And once he retired, they had more than 120. Larsen and Toubro came into construction. Larsen and Toubro came into mining. Came into defense production. Came into so many. Who has done that? This one person. I'll show you. This is a guy. Okay, and when he retired, he has so much of money, he could open an international school out of that money. You can't believe the accelerated career is something. But where should the merit be? In you. In corporate company में सब टांग खींचते हैं. एक चीज याद रखिए. If you join a corporate company, okay, there will be more leg pullers than supporters. और ऐसे सिचुएशन के अंदर if you are able to accelerate your career, I think hats off to that person. Okay. Now this is the guy. Okay. His name is A.M. Naik. Okay. And A.M. Naik, you see the last one. In 2019, he was awarded Padma Shri also because of his going into the defense production area. You know? He has built A.M. Naik International School in Larsen and Toubro, Powai. Powai walon ne Larsen and Toubro given him a free land. So he could build international school, that high level ka international school, and a multi-specialty hospital in Navsari, Gujarat. Can you imagine? एक आदमी जो गुजराती बोलता है, इंग्लिश बोलने को नहीं आती है, and at the end of his career, what does he do it? He gets Padma Shri, he gets all this. This is called accelerated. And this is the strength of an innovator. This is the strength of an innovator. Once you start looking at yourself as an innovator, as a researcher, as an inventor, seeing that how you can bring changes in the given circumstances, you become an accelerated career. Now, accelerated career doesn't mean only in job. It can be even in your own company, if you open your own startup, if you open your own company, anywhere. Okay. See these ordinary people. I mean, that fellow Chaiwala, you know the case study of that? Okay, I'll come to you that little later. Okay, let's go forward. Okay. So, what to innovate? Now, what is the criteria of innovating? Okay. किस चीज़ के किस बेस के ऊपर होना चाहिए? Should resolve a problem or some obstruction. See, wherever you go, now for example, if you go here and you find you are going to slip over, okay, no, that is your problem statement. What is it? That is your problem statement. कहीं पर भी जाओ आपको कोई दिक्कत आए, you find difficulty in doing that smoothly, is your problem statement. Is your problem. And that is the start point. That is the should resolve a problem or some obstruction, something which is not सही नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. Now what is the other one? It could improve the look, feel or features. Look, feel or feature. See here, ये मेरे पास मोबाइल पड़ा है. Okay. इसके अंदर एक क्या प्रॉब्लम है? You know, big problem. If I put it on the table, it will start rolling. It will start. Why? Because it is conical, and conical will take a. Now it is very disturbing. So what do? So wherever there is an obstruction or wherever there is an issue, you have a reason to solve it. Okay, and that is it should improve or it can also improve the look. So what do you do? How do you stop that? Put a clip over here so that it doesn't. It's small, little, chota innovation hai, okay, but it creates a great product out of this microphone. Okay, it should improve, and secondly, it should improve the look. मतलब कोई चीज है, अरे यार ये कैसे दिखती है? Let me make it better. Now today, if you go to a lot of these gadgets which are being displayed, they are looking very raw. They are looking very raw. Okay, how can I make it a more good-looking product? And a good-looking product is always a better seller. Is always a better seller. So this will be another way. The third is solution to improve quality of life or ease of living. Okay, quality of life. Okay, what can I do? So that is more into healthcare areas, more into something that will keep you upfront. Okay, supposing you are sitting in the office and you're getting tired, what can you do? What sort of a chair backup you can use so that you can sit instead of 3 hours, you can sit for 4 hours together, 5 hours together. Can there be a warmer put over here? Can there be, so these are the thoughts which are coming, okay, which can add to your quality of life or which can add to your ease of living. What is it? Ease of living. This is another category. And find a solution to convert waste to some utility product. Now, there are a lot of projects over here which is trying to convert waste into utility product. That is the biggest money maker and wealth creator for tomorrow. In India, so much of waste is created. People do not know what to do and they are all dumping. And they are creating dump yards, and the land they are using for that dump yard, okay, they want to ship Dharavi over there. They say it will take 10 years to clear that dump. That is the amount of dump available. And what is waste? It is free raw material. What is it? Waste is आपको खाली ट्रांसपोर्ट का खर्चा लगना है. ओके, यू नो दिस, ये बॉटल्स जो है, यू फाइंड दिस रैक पिकर्स. वो आएंगे, इतना बड़ा थैली होगा उनके पास, वो जहाँ जहाँ भी जाएगा, they pulverize it and convert it back into raw material. So waste is a big area for you to look into it. But it should be looked into it that whether that can make a commercial sense for you or not. Okay, as I said, that only having an idea, if you have an idea, you can start making use of that to convert that, because then technology can come. But whether that idea and ultimately whether it will catch up commercially in a big way is the most important part. Okay. Now think of it, giving food in 10 minutes to your house. What is it? It's an idea. What is it? Putting idea into action. That company is $1 billion का उसका IPO है. कितना है? Swiggy. I'm talking about it. What is the idea? Can I deliver in 10 minutes? Can I deliver in this? So you have to create the entire infrastructure for that. People who will take the food, who will make the food, who will keep that sort of a big thing is going to be there. You understand? So what is very important is an idea. So generating an idea and then putting idea into action. And then if that idea clicks, because today आज लोग खाना नहीं बोलते हैं यार, कौन इधर बैठ के इतना 2 घंटा किचन के अंदर बनाएगा, 10 मिनट में खाना आएगा लाने वाला है. ओके, तो these are the things I'm sharing with you that can create okay ideas into action. Okay, go to the next. Now my next question is, from where do you get these ideas? These ideas you get from friend, you get from, you have to go to Harvard University, USA, Oxford, London, किधर जापान में जाना है, कहाँ से मिले? Okay, we'll have some, I'll play a small video for you. It sings something and you catch that thought. Okay, and you can sing with it. It's a very popular Kabir bhajan. Okay, sing that. You will also feel entertained, and you will also get a great message. Can you play that?
हाँ मुझको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं हूँ तेरे पास में। मुझको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं हूँ तेरे पास में। हाँ मुझको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं हूँ तेरे पास में। मुझको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं हूँ तेरे पास में। हाँ ना तीरथ में ना मूरत में, ना एकांत निवास में, ना मंदिर में ना में मस्जिद में, ना काशी कैलाश में। हाँ ना तीरथ में ना मूरत में, ना एकांत निवास में, ना मंदिर में ना में मस्जिद में, ना काशी कैलाश में। हाँ मुझको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं हूँ तेरे पास में। मुझको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं हूँ तेरे पास में।
So, where are the ideas? Within us. Okay. It's a big inspiration from this song that you have not to go to foreign universities to learn these ideas. The ideas come to you localized right with you. I'm just asking you one thing. All of you are आपके बचपन में झाड़ों के नीचे हम खाते हो, हम जो नीचे गिरे हैं, उसको उठाया होगा, किसने स्टोन पकड़ के मारा होगा. How many people have, no, I just like to speak directly. Okay. How many people have thought about it that why mango is coming down? Why it should not go in the sky? Now, if you see the earth, it is a globe. And the tree is projecting outside the earth. And if you see on the globe, it is going into the space. Globe में देखिए, it is going into the space. So it should go out now. तो जमीन पे क्यों आ रही है? How many people could even think about that? This is called keen observation. क्या बोलते हैं? Keen observation. Observation which others don't have. इसको बोलते हैं खोजी type of observation. Okay. Where you are basically seeing something which others can't see. Not that others are blind, but वो thought नहीं है. Okay. How many people can think that why should mango fall down? Why should apple fall down? Why should nariyal fall down? Think of nariyal hitting somebody's head. Okay, what will happen? Why does it not go into the sky? Now, who thought about it? And as long as his science will remain, Newton name will remain. And it is not that झटके से उसने आंसर मिला. He had to struggle for 10 years. So persistency, once you persist, once you have that keen observation and you say that ये जो है मेरे को इसका solution निकालना है. So you ask somebody, समझदार बेवकूफ़ आदमी है, ये कभी होता है क्या? ये नेचर का नियम है, जो भी ऊपर जाता है वो नीचे आता है. You know, So people have no idea. So they will give their own common sense replies. Okay. But if you have a keen observation, okay, now look at that Swiggy thing, keen observation. Okay, can I change people's requirement of food? तुमको मैं 10 मिनट में and it started with Mona, which is that पिज़्ज़ा वाला का नाम Domino's. It started 20 minutes में. तो उसने बोला वो 20 मिनट में देता, मैं 10 मिनट में देखा. Okay, but you have to create the entire infrastructure. It's not that you just have an idea and it's over. It's a keen observation. It's a keen observation. So this keen observation is something which is, and we are going to have a small thing over here, okay, some example, okay, how we can create an idea out of something which is there. Now there is a guy, he's reading newspaper, okay, और उसकी mother, she wants to go to the bathroom. तो बोलती है मैं बाथरूम जा रही हूँ, ये चाय गरम रखी है, तो तुम चाय पी लेना, and she goes. Morning का time है, this guy is reading newspaper. By the time he finishes the newspaper, the चाय ठंडी हो गई. क्या हो गई? चाय ठंडी हो गई. Now what is the way? What is the solution to it? Please respond. What is the solution to it? One is thermos. Okay. What is another one? उसके ऊपर ढक्कन लग दो. Okay. Third, anything else? Take that cup to a microwave, get it heated. That could be a third one. Okay. What can be the fourth one? So there can be multiple solutions. What is it? There can be. Okay. But you have to find out a solution which you can create a product out of it. You can create a product out of it. Okay. So now think about that. What can be that thing which can create a product out of it? Kettle तो है. What you are saying? Thermos तो है ही है. तो उसमें आप क्या ऊपर ढक्कन कोस्टर तो है ही है. तो आपने क्या बनाया? Okay. So what can you do to do something which will make the tea or which will keep the tea hotter for a longer time? And that is happening. You know, वो पीना कि आपके टेबल पे रखता है चाय. Okay. By the time you have finished this thing, the चाय ठंडा हो गया. है कि नहीं? तो how do you handle this? Now this is a very simple, keen observation. What is it? कि चाय ठंडा हो गया और मेरे को ठंडा नहीं जल्दी करना है. I want at least half an hour for it to be remain hot. So a lot of thoughts can be given. One is putting a lid below. You will find in some restaurants, वो भी एक आया है कि चाय उसके नीचे विग, you know, ये जो छोटा वो दिया नहीं रहता है, वो उसके अंदर डालते हैं, so it remains hot, isn't it? That is one solution. Think of something else. Think of something. Now this is what the strength of an innovator is. This is what the moment you can start thinking on this, you start going to a next level of accelerated career. You are talking about, right? Okay. Look into it. What is it? Okay, since we have very limited time, I'll go proceed with it. I'll give you one little solution and you work on this a little further. Now you are all people from science. You know that the surface area जितना बड़ा होगा उतना cooling fast होगी. क्या होता है? जितना the cooling evaporation is directly proportional to the surface area. Can you reduce the surface area? How? कप का आकार चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? What is it? Instead of, because every cup has got a smaller base and a larger top, isn't it? आप देखिए कोई भी, you see any cup, smaller base and larger top. Convert the उसको उल्टा करो. Okay? Larger base and छोटा, so that the surface area is reduced and the evaporation reduces by the square. Okay, so you can use your science, you can use your knowledge, and you can create a solution out of it. Is it right? Yes, sir. How many of you agree to it? So how do you go about it? How do you go about it? Okay, अभी ये एक idea आ गया. अभी now how do you go about it? So you create many models. What do? आजकल 3D models are applicable. Okay, so you create one model with an X amount of top surface area, with Y amount of top surface area, with Z amount of top surface area. Okay, and see which is the most right one. You can't have a mouth which is so small, isn't it? You can't have a mouth which is so small. नहीं तो वो केटली का ही वो उसको ही मुंह लगा के पी सकते हैं ना. Okay, so it has to be practical also. So have various models made, and you'll find one of those models which is a right model. Which is a right model. You may have to make 20 such models, 30 such models. After having that, okay, and having got it tested by your friends and all that, what will you do? Get a copyright of it. That is called intellectual property rights. What is it? Intellectual, get it registered. And then go to the manufacturer, say Hitkari, or you go to Hindustan Ceramics and tell them, look, this is your project. Yeah. आप इतना पीछे बैठे आप आगे आ जाओ ना यार मुझे सही जगह. हाँ बोलिए. So, see, I agree. This is where which I said that you have to make several models and see which is the most practical model. I did not say that उसको इतना छोटा बना दो, उसको इतना बड़ा दो. I have not said that. I am giving you an idea that how you can make it practical. And practical is by making actually 3D models. What is it? By making 3D models. And 3D models are now available. A lot of machines are available. You can make 3D models. Okay. And then find, you make 10 such things and find which is the most practical size of the cup. Now, having done that, okay, what will you take it forward? Register your IPR and then go to these institutions, okay, and then you talk to them, okay, sir, this is my innovation, I would like you to market this, okay. They will say, okay, all that, इसको जरा ऐसा try करते हैं, ऐसा try करते हैं, make it little better, because then those are corporate people, they'll also have their own R&D, ये वो उसको और ठीक है, आपको जो करना है करो, but this is the idea which I have, and you finally agree on a royalty, okay. Now supposing you are talking about 25 paisa royalty per one cup. How much? 25 paisa royalty per cup. You will be making 5 lakh rupees a month. What is it? This is the power of the idea. Because there is 1 million cups which are sold every month. Okay, both as a replacement and as well as a new one. Cup टूट जाते हैं, ceramic का टूट गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, as a replacement as well as, so we are talking about unlimited, but this is ideas in action which are practical, and practical ideas which can be made commercialized. Okay, so this is the flow we are talking about. We go to the next one. One is keen observation. That's the mindset I said. This is a mindset. Go to the next. So with that we get the problem statement. I said Newton. Okay, how many people can think of why mango or why apple is not going up, why it is coming down? तो कोई भी आदमी से बात करेगा तो वो सिर फेरा ही बोलेंगे ना, है क्या नहीं? क्या बोलेंगे कि बंदे में अकल ही नहीं है, जो भी ऊपर है वो नीचे आता ही है दुनिया में, ये कानून है, ये है वो, दुनिया भर की बात करेंगे. But if you are persistent that why and you want to find an answer for it, you have to work for it. Okay, और वो वर्क करते 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 करते, as long as science exists, Newton will exist. आप देखिए कौन सा भी book can you do without Newton, whether it is astronomy, whether it is chemistry, whether it is physics. Okay, so this is the power of innovation. मेक अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. और न्यूटन का प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या था? उसका क्या प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट था? कि एप्पल जमीन पे क्यों आया, उसके सिर पे लगा. उसको फिर उसको आया, यार ये ऐसा क्या है कि मेरे सिर पे गिरा, ऊपर क्यों नहीं गए, नो लाइक दैट. सो हिज प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, व्हाई एप्पल फॉल्स डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड. ओके. ये चाय का स्टेटमेंट क्या है? व्हाट इज द चाय का स्टेटमेंट, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट? चाय जल्दी ठंडी होती है, उसको मेरे को डिले करना है उसके ठंडेपन को. तो वो मैं पहले एक बार मेरा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट मेरा रेडी हो गया, फिर उसका सोल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं हम लोग, फिर हम लोग उसका सोल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं. ओके. और फिर सोल्यूशन आता है. यू सी, सोल्यूशन के लिए यू नीड नॉट बी योरसेल्फ अ हाईएस्ट पर्सन इन द टेक्नोलॉजी. यू नीड नॉट बी. यू नीड नॉट बी हाईएस्ट पर्सन इन द टेक्नोलॉजी. भाई आपको सिरेमिक का टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए टू मेक ए कप, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. आपको क्या चाहिए? दैट आई वांट टू मेक टी लेस हॉट, और मतलब हॉट जल्दी नहीं, गर्म ठंडी जल्दी नहीं हो. ओके, दिस इज माय प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. एंड दैट सोल्यूशन कैन बी फाउंड नॉट एज अ टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ ceramics or of a cup technology or having 20 years spent in Hitkari or somewhere. No, it's not necessary. Okay. Ideas come from keen observation, identify the problem, make a problem statement, and reach out for solution. Okay. Now, reaching out for solution, many people think that they should do it themselves alone. Okay. But it is not necessary. You can have a team. Okay. You can have a team, because team would mean that a better solution can, see, one product can have multiple solutions. Kya hai? Now, for example, you have got number 9. Okay, how do you add to number 9? 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, you know, so, or 11 minus 2 is 9. So different people will come with different ideas to solve that problem, and then you have to find out which is the best solution in the given circumstances. क्या है? Which is the best solution in the given circumstances. Okay. A group of friends versus a team of innovators. Now, what is the difference between friends and innovator? Please understand, this is very important. Friends is a different category of relationship, and team for innovation is a different set of relationships. Okay. Now let's talk about what is this. A group of friends. Can somebody read for me? आयो ना, बैठो ना यार, क्या पूछना है? आइए. Can हाँ.
A group of friends enjoys each other's company, builds strong personal relationships, and have a good time together.
This is the friendship. दोस्ती में क्या होता है? Good time together. It's a good weather friends जिसको बोलते हैं. Okay. टीम में क्या होता है? Focused on generating new ideas. वो जब भी बैठेंगे वो सोचेंगे नया आइडिया हम लोग क्या लेके आए. Okay. Solving problems and creating innovative solutions. ये this is that team. Okay. Next, decision making. Point number 2. Decision making is among friends. आपको मूवी पे जाने का है, तो it is that one. You want to go for picnic, is more on personal relationships. Here, decision making is more driven by data analysis and pursuit to the most effective and innovative solution. You find this? Okay. Next, feedback. Third वाला. थोड़ा ऊंचा.
Feedback may be softer and more considerate to avoid hurting feelings or causing conflict.
हाँ, वहाँ पर किसी के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं होता है दोस्ती में. ओके. यू आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू हर्ट एनीबडीज फीलिंग. इट इज ऑल गुड फील गुड वाला रिलेशनशिप होता है. यहाँ पर क्या है?
Constructive criticism is often as it contributes to refining ideas and improving outcomes.
Is it true? Okay. Constructive criticism. दिल से अरे नहीं यार ये चलने वाला नहीं है. Okay. Then rates may be less defined. Roles may be less defined.
And responsibilities may be shared in a more informal manner.
इन मोर इनफॉर्मल मैनर, चल दोस्ती में गले में हाथ डाला, चल यार ऐसा कर लेंगे, ओके हियर
Innovators may have a more structured approach and define roles based on expertise.
based on their expertise. Now, when I'm talking about expertise, I'm saying that what sort of a team that you must have for this. Okay, one is you have your own classmates, that is wrong. Okay, you can have one from, say, if you are from electrical, have somebody from mechanical, have somebody from electronics, have somebody as an MBA, have somebody who is in accounts, who's good in this thing. So this is the team working. ओके अकाउंट वाला बोलेगा देख इसके अंदर पैसा मिलने वाला नहीं है, मैनेजमेंट वाला बोलेगा इसको बेचेंगे कैसा, ओके इलेक्ट्रिकल वाला बोलता है इसका सर्किट बनने वाला नहीं है, इसको ऐसा नहीं ऐसा घुमाओ, मैकेनिकल वाला बोलेगा उसका शेप ऐसा बनाना है. यू अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज अ टीम वर्क, बट इट हैपन्स इफ यू हैव गॉट डिफरेंट पीपल एंड डिफरेंट टैलेंट्स. व्हाट इज इट? So this team is a team of multi-talents. What is it? Team of, and not a singular talent. Your class के अंदर 4 दोस्त है, चलो यार अपन बैठ के टीम बनाते हैं. That team will not be that much successful as a team of multi-talented people. Okay, multi-talented people or so. How to build team to create good innovations is this one. Have different faculties of people, different talents. कोई MBA वाला यानी कोई मैनेजमेंट वाला आ गया, कोई अकाउंट्स वाला आ गया, कोई टेक्निकल के 2-3 आ गए, 4-5 जन काम बना सकते हैं आराम से. ओके, वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट. ओके, वी गो इनटू वन केस स्टडी. जस्ट क्लोज दिस slide. This is another case study I'm going to share with you. This is a guy who, now this is a बहुत पुरानी स्टोरी है, नई स्टोरी नहीं है, पुरानी स्टोरी है. This guy is a person who has just finished his SSC, going into science, and from science he has gone into junior BSc, and in junior BSc he goes to his neighbor's place. And the neighbor is making a telephone call. He's making a telephone call. He doesn't have a telephone in his house. I'm talking about 70s. आजकल तो बच्चा बाद में पैदा होता, पहले उसको मोबाइल चाहिए रहता. Okay, I'm talking about 70s, when telephone was a big luxury. You know, in a building, if somebody has got telephone, they would say उसके घर में phone है. He was known by phone वाला. Okay, so I'm talking about that period. So this guy didn't have a phone, so he used to go to his neighbor's house and make a phone call. And that neighbor was a good motherly relationship, okay. और वो उसको बेटा बेटा बोल के, और वो उसके ऐसा है वो. So एक बार उसने ऑब्जर्व किया. See, this is where the keen observation comes. उसने ऑब्जर्व किया कि वो जब भी फ़ोन करता है ना, वो आके उधर बैठ जाती है, ओके. और वो देखती है वो कौन सा फ़ोन कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. तो एक बार किया, 2 बार किया, 3 बार किया, फिर उसने कहा समथिंग इज रॉन्ग हियर, समथिंग इज, वो क्यों ऐसा हो रही है. और वो जो भी आवे उसके घर में करने के लिए वो उधर आके बैठ जावे. सो ही आस्क्ड वन डे कि मैडम क्या है, व्हाई इज इट दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेक, आप ऐसे घूर घूर के देखते हो कि मैं कौन सा डायल कर रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ. बेटा तुम पूछो नहीं, मेरे को STD का कॉल इतना करना पड़ता है, उसका पेमेंट इतना करना पड़ता है. लोग लंदन में फ़ोन लगा जाते हैं, आउट स्टेशन में फ़ोन लगा जाते हैं, हमको पता ही नहीं चलता है, हमको पता ही नहीं चलता. सो दैट इज कीन ऑब्जर्वेशन. दैट इज, now this guy who is in junior BSc, no technical knowledge, no idea of what it is, okay, what does he do? He starts looking into it, that how can I take out. So he got a problem statement. What did he got? Problem statement that people are misusing phone to make STD calls and make international calls. Okay, and who is bearing the bill? The owner. Okay, so he got the problem statement. Now problem statement को solve करने के लिए, do you need a telephone engineer? Do you need an electronic engineer? Do you need whom do you need? You need somebody to say that I want to solve this problem. What is it? You need somebody to say I want to solve this problem. That's all. Newton was not technologist to find, okay, those formulas. He was not a technologist at that time, okay. And he said, I want to find a solution to it. And then उसके पीछे लगा रहा, कमस and happened. Now, this problem statement, so what did this guy do? This is a great case study I'm sharing with you. He went to telephone exchange and asked them, sir, how do we make STD calls? वो बोलते हैं जीरो, पहले जीरो डाल करना पड़ता है. How do I make international calls? 2 बार जीरो करना पड़ता है. To start with, and then the other numbers. He got the idea. 0 coming as first digit and 000 coming as the first digit. If it comes, it should be barred. It should be barred. But if 0 comes later on, then it should be through. Okay. He got the problem statement. He got the solution to it. Okay. Now the question is putting this idea into action. What is it? So you start going. एक के पास इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए, बोलता है ये रिले से हो सकता है, दूसरा बोलता है ये इससे हो सकता है, ये इससे हो सकता है. 4-5 जन का हमने उसने वो पूरा लिया, दिस थिंग ओपिनियन लिया, सोचा कैसे करने का, क्या करने का. एंड देन ही वेंट अल्टीमेटली टू ए वर्कशॉप, okay, and started putting those thoughts into action. And what they came out with was the STD control device. They came out with the STD control device in which the principle was 0 coming as a first digit and 00 coming as a first digit should be barred, but if it comes subsequently, it should be allowed. Now, with this statement, they made the solution out of it. They made a dial के अंदर एक्चुएटर लगाया, एक्चुएटर से वो उसका रिले कनेक्ट हो रहा था, okay, and electronically they made it in such a way that 0 coming in the first is not affected and coming subsequently is not is dialed, okay. And then this guy put that into an exhibition and he could get the first prize out of that, okay. And later on, that was registered as an invention of that time. And he later on won the highest prize also. Who is that guy? Okay. Just put on that. So this is the telephone with which we started at that time. This is archived. आजकल ये phone आपको मिलेगा नहीं. ये उस समय का फ़ोन है. इसके डायल के अंदर एक्चुएटर हमने लगाया था और वो एक्चुएटर गिव अस ए पल्स एंड दैट पल्स से हमने इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली उसको सॉल्व किया था, ओके. सो फ्रॉम दैट वन इन्वेंशन we built Marshalls, we built all these big things. That is the power of innovation, okay. And for that you need not be technologically qualified person. You need not be. All that what you need is ideas and keen observations, okay. Now, this was not enough, okay. College के अंदर एकदम धूमधाम हो गया, oh yeah, you know, all that, okay. Then next year again the exhibition came. And they said, oh, एक फ्लूक से बना लिया तुमने, okay. Then came this next year, and then the principal called me and told me that you have done that. Try this time something else, this thing. And I was on the lookout for doing something again for the next year. And then one day what happened in my house, in my building where we are staying, there was a big commotion, okay. And my mother had put a patile में दूध and on the gas, and वो commotion देख के वो उधर चली गई. And then what happened, that milk boiled out ऊपर से and gas बंद हो गई और gas चालू रही. Gas चालू हो गई. And after some time when that smell started coming, okay, everyone, अरे क्या हो गया, then everyone went around, माचिस नहीं लगाना, ये नहीं लगाना, वो नहीं लगाना, okay. And my father, when he came back home, he had a big this thing, you know, to my mother, कि ये क्या तुम पूरा building जला देती है, and all that, you know. But That gave me a big clue. That gave me a big, this is keen observation. What is the problem statement? Okay. What you need to have is, what is the problem statement? No. फ्लेम गई तो गैस भी बंद होनी चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? What is the problem statement? अगर फ्लेम कट ऑफ हुई तो गैस भी बंद होनी चाहिए. और अगर गैस बंद नहीं होती है तो इट कैन बिकम ए बिग फायर हैजार्ड. इट कैन बिकम अ. So once you have mentioned this, now you start finding the solution. What is it? Then you start. I dedicated that gadget in the name of my mother because of her blunder I got that idea. Because of that blunder she did, I got an idea. And that idea is what I want, is called keen observation. Okay. So how do you get ideas? Ideas you get through keen observations. ओके. चलते चलते कहीं पर आपका पैर अटक जाता है, आप लुढ़कने चालू होते हो. दैट इज योर आइडिया कि व्हाई डिड आई ट्राई टू स्टम्बल. ओके. उसमें से क्या चीज है कि जो मेरे को उसने तकलीफ दिया. ओके. सो दैट बिकम्स योर प्रॉब्लम. सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्लियरली? आई थिंक अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू माय मदर. I think a lot of mothers should do a lot of such blunders so that you get ideas, right? Okay. Okay, okay. Let's go forward. Now I'm going to share with you something because, as I said, that it is. Say it again. Say it again. हाँ. See, let me tell you, this was done in 1972 when, आज की बात नहीं है ये. और इसके साथ में जो आप देखोगे एक्सेसरीज हमने लगाया था, उसके साथ में टाइमर लगा दिया. उसके दीज आर ऑल सब्सिक्वेंट इनोवेशंस. उसके साथ टाइमर लगा दिया. आपको चाहिए आधा घंटा के लिए करो. उसके बाद में इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ मूवी, 15 मिनट के अंदर आपका कुकिंग हो जाएगा. पुट अ टाइमर फॉर 15 मिनट्स एंड नाउ यू go for a movie and all. So those are accessories. Those are innovations that we did it. But yeah, that was a big thing that we did. Okay. And we again won the prize for that. So anyway, let's move forward. Now I'm going to share with you that don't think that when you say that I'll find a solution, it is so easy to find a solution. Okay. उसके पीछे जूते घिसाने पड़ते हैं. Most of the time people will say, you are a fool, you are an idiot, ऐसा कभी होता है क्या? All these things, accusations, you will get it. But if you have to hear all that, you will be formal career. क्या है? आपका वही formal career, junior engineer से chief engineer. Okay? कितने साल में? 38 years में. Okay, now I'm going to share this. This again is a beautiful song that we have because you have been listening to me. Now listen to some music also for 2 minutes. Okay, Ruk Jana Nahi. Okay, and what lesson it is giving us? That problems are going to come. It's not easy. See, remember one thing. I was in junior BSc. No technology, no idea of advanced science, nothing. And you could create a project which got the patent and which got the awards. You need not be a technologist. You need not be. Now you tell me, yes, Swiggy wala, has he to be a cook? Has he to be a scooter driver? What has he to be? An innovator. What is it? Yeah, that is it. You follow this? Yeah. He has not to be a cook. He has not to be this thing, scooter, उसको चलानी भी नहीं आती होगी. Okay? But once you say that this is my problem statement, you can find a solution to it. Okay, now let's play this song, and then we get a great lesson from here.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले है अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही।
So what does it say? रुक जाना नहीं. Once you get a problem statement, then solution is easy. Solution is available. एक से एक बढ़ के आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट है दुनिया में, एक से एक बढ़ के. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो कप था, तो कप के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? 3D मॉडल है कि नहीं? 3D मॉडल वाले. सो हर चीज में देयर पीपल आर देयर. ओके, ओनली थिंग इज यू शुड बी एबल टू कनेक्ट. व्हाट इज इट? यू शुड बी एबल टू connect properly and get the right thing out of it. Okay, and if you do that, you'll find a lot of problems. See, finance can be one of them. Okay, ये करना है, पैसा ही नहीं है, ये करना है, उसका पैसा ही नहीं है. Okay, problems आएंगी. Okay, don't think that things are without problems. There are enough problems over there and you have to cross. आपने स्पोर्ट्स में किया हो ना हर्डल रेस, क्या है? You have, in your school. Why that hurdle race is there? Because in life hurdles are going to come, and especially when you are an innovator, hurdles are going to come more. And who wins the race? Who can cross those hurdles? Who wins the race? Who can cross those? Hurdle race ही है ये पूरा. Entire innovation is a hurdle race. Okay, इतना आसान नहीं है. But if you are able to cross, you are able to swim across, you look at the world which is ahead of you. Look out at that Mr. A.M. Naik. Okay, what they become, you can't count money. आपको मनी, वो मशीन भी काम नहीं करेगी. $1 billion का स्विगी का जो IPO आया था, अगर आपको पैसा काउंट करना पड़े, आपको 10 साल लगेंगे. $1 billion. $1 billion कितना होता है? 8,000 करोड़. 8,000 करोड़ कितना होता है? यू कांट इवन इमेजिन कि वो उसको गिनने का कैसा. यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज वेल्थ क्रिएशन. एंड एज आई सेड, उसके लिए परिश्रम कर. आप एग्जाम के लिए करते हो ना, रात दिन बैठ के, यू नो, दिस इज ऑल्सो समथिंग लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू पास दिस हर्डल. Okay. So keep pursuing, don't give up. This is the most important part. And after developing that idea, this thing, then as I said, that there are a lot of people to give you solution. There are a lot of people to give you solution. Don't give the entire problem to one person. He'll take the solution. You understand? Do it in parts. इसका काट के इसको पूछो, इसको पूछो, इसको पूछो, इसको, and then you connect all the modules and then make your project. You follow this? Not that the other person should know everything. मैंने ऐसा सोचा, ऐसा सोचा, वो बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. What have you to do? Just tell them, I want this. Can you make it for me? वो बोलेगा इतना लगेगा, ये लगेगा. अच्छा ठीक है, देता हूँ. कहाँ से देता हूँ? That is a separate area. Okay. So once you get this idea clear, then the next question is, how do you make a model? How do you make a working model? Now in most of the colleges, and there are now tinkering labs which are coming up. Most of the universities, most of the college, they have got the workshops to do it. Now we have a tie-up with Nehru Science Center, and they have got a beautiful workshop here. If any person is stuck up for workshop area, come to us, come to SIA, inform us that you want to use the workshop area, and we will see that you get the workshop facility. Okay? Now there are good engineers over here. All, in fact, if you go and see the museum, most of the gadgets are made over here only. Okay, so they are the people who will support you, and you will be able to make a prototype or a working model. Okay, you'll be able to make a working model out of it. As I said, you need not disclose everything. Okay, you only tell them what they are supposed to do. Okay, आपको उसका बॉक्स बनाना, उसका आपको ये बनाने का, उसका बाद डाई है, उसको कट करना, ये. These are the areas that they can do it for you. You want to have an electronic subject there, circuit over there. These people can do it for you. Okay. यहाँ पर नहीं होगा, कहीं और होगा. Okay. But this is possible. So first comes your keen observation, then comes problem statement. From problem statement comes to find a solution. Okay. Cross all those hurdle race. Okay. And then when it comes to making a prototype, okay, we are tied up with Nehru Science Center, and we can give you that facility for you to. करना आपको ही पड़ेगा. Okay, you will have to roll up your sleeves, sit over there, get it done. वो लोग आपको करके नहीं देंगे, आपको उनके सिर पे बैठना पड़ेगा. Is it true? Okay. So once you do that, now let me tell you, friends, if you have to become big, if you have to become great, today you are all secured people with your parents. Okay, आपके parents है, ये है वो, and they look after all your securities. थोड़ा कुछ खर्चा वर्चा ये सब they are looking. So where are you placed? You are placed in a flower pot. पानी मिलता है, flower grow होता है, flower आता है, खुशबू आती है, उसी में काम चल रहा है. So you are living a very, very secure and easy life. But if you have to grow up, if you have to become a banyan tree, if you have to become you have to come out of that flower pot. वो flower pot से आप क्या ultimately बन सकते हो? Bonsai. क्या बन सकते हो? Good अच्छा flower decoration in your house. Okay. आपकी वाइफ बोलेगी छान एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास आदमी, मेरे को कैसा अच्छा आदमी मिल गया, जो मैं बोलता हूँ सब मानते हैं. Okay. So all this you will get. You become a good person. Okay. You become a bonsai. Okay. You want to become a banyan tree, you have to come out of the flower pot. You have to come out of that ease of living. You have to come out of that comfort zone. Okay. And get into something which is strugglesome. Okay. वो एक खाई को तैर के जाना पड़ेगा, तो सामने आपको बिल्डिंग्स मिलेंगी, और यहाँ पर रहोगे तो पर वही झोपड़पट्टी ये वो सब रहेगा. You have to cross that. Okay. So keep pursuing, don't give up. You have to be out of the flower pot. And there is one good thing, one good example which I have found, and I'm sharing it with you. कि जो वायर में करंट नहीं होती, जिस वायर में होता, जिस वायर में करंट नहीं होता, वो तार के ऊपर कपड़े सुखाए जाते हैं. क्या क्या रखते हैं? So if you are an innovator, is something like having a current in that wire. So you will be used in all the best of places. Otherwise, टेरेस के ऊपर कपड़े सुखाए जाते हैं. घर में भी वही कपड़े सुखाते हैं आपके. Okay? So this is my entire workshop with you. How did you like it? सब सोए पड़े हैं. Okay. See, I'll tell you one thing. Today, why I'm doing all this? Because at one time, I got benefit from somebody's initiative who has started these exhibitions and encouraging people. Okay. Today, I'm doing it. I do not know how many from you, maybe in next 5 years, 10 years, will come to that level where you become startup people. Achha, tomorrow, let me tell you, there's a big agenda over there. Tomorrow we have seminars on startups, which talks about startups. Startups is, what we are doing over here is a first level of startups. It's not startup, but it is a first level. From here, you go into, you let people see that there is a commercial value in this, and then incubation will pick you up, or you go and tell them, मेरे को मुझे आप दीजिए साथ. As I've told you, there are 3 people who are already over there. Go to them, bang your head with them. So बोलो सर मेरे को आप incubation center में लो. Okay. So tomorrow if you grow up, probably you would also do something like this. Maybe 10 years from now, 20 years from you. वो उसको कहते हैं दीप से दीप जलाते चलो. What is it? All the best and God bless all of you. Thank you very much. Yeah, any questions? Yeah. Problem statements. Yeah, industry problem statements. Yeah, we are going to promote it, and those industries. See, people are going to IITs and all that. Now there the wait list time is too high. Okay, and then they are not taking very low level of projects. They are taking very high level, or where they can charge say 1 crore rupees, 50 lakh rupees. They can charge. So such projects they are taking out. उनका भी time 2 साल के बाद है. Now who will wait for 2 years? Okay. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to convince them that give us your problem statement. We will circulate to 135 institutions which are paneled with us, and from there, okay, if we will try to give you solutions, we will try to give you timeline, we will try to give you cost. If that suits you, okay, then you tie up with the institution and get the best solution. Okay. So that is it. Yeah, Mona, you can close the thing.
So friends, you've heard an innovator to entrepreneur journey and story. Okay, I'm sure it's inspiring, but it's a lot of hard work and it's a good route to take because that is where you'll build a career which is, when you look back at it, you will be satisfied. So all the best. Tomorrow we have a lineup of many seminars. This is the only one that's happening today. So all the best and back to your stalls then now. Thank you.